The tool that I'm going to show you today is called the Explore tool. The Explore tool can be used in docs, sheets, and slides. This is a great way for students to stay organized when they are researching topics. You can get to the Explore tool under Tools, or you can get to it at the bottom right hand corner in the Explore tool tab with a plus sign. So you're going to click on the Explore tool. As you notice, it is already reading my document and giving me some suggestions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the information, and as you notice, it read my document. So I'm going to research the topic, identify the habitat where a three-toed sloth can be found. So as you notice, some websites are located at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the site. So it's opening up a new tab already for me at the top. So students can go through and read the information, and as you notice, they are found in rainforest trees. So I'm going to go back to my document, and I'm going to type in they are found in rainforests. So once the student has the information in their table, they can go back and press the quotes, and it's going to cite the information down at the bottom of the paper. So there it is. The citation is there. It says the date. Now at the top, you can change the citation format to whatever you would like for the students to cite the information. Okay, so let's go back and look at my table. To insert an image, you're just going to go to the images, and you can pull in an image that you like by hitting the insert image. That is going to pull the image in and also cite the image because a website is linked to the image as well. I hope this helped. This is a great tool that is going to help kids stay more focused on their research.